move to our last scheduled speaker, who is Spencer Dixon. Spencer?
Thank you for the opportunity to provide public comment. My name is Spencer Dixon, and I serve as the policy advisor for Savi, a social impact technology startup working to solve the student debt crisis affecting 46 million borrowers by helping them discover repayment and loan forgiveness options. Founded by longtime student loan experts and advocates, Savi is a registered public benefit corporation that has helped more than 50,000 student loan borrowers, reflecting more than 1.6 billion in student loan debt, and has identified more than 200 million in projected forgiveness eligibility. Savi works with employers, membership organizations, and financial institutions to provide our service as a unique student loan benefit. Our 100 plus partners include membership groups like the NEA, SEIU, and ARP, retirement providers like TIAA and AIG, and organizations like Student Debt Crisis and United Way. Savi plays a unique role in the student loan space as we interact with borrowers, employers, and student loan servicers on a daily basis. We see how the current programs are implemented and have a front row seat to some of their benefits as well as their shortcomings. As the new administration embarks on the lengthy negotiated rulemaking process covering a variety of topics within higher education, we look to proposals put forward by the president as an indication of what's to come. Given Savi's role, we're paying special attention to the proposals regarding income-driven repayment programs, or IDRs, and the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program, or PSLF. President Biden has put forward a plan to create a new IDR that would ensure that individuals making $25,000 or less per year will not owe any payments on their undergraduate federal student loans and also won't accrue any interest on those loans. The plan would then require everyone else to pay 5% of their discretionary income over $25,000 toward their loans. After 20 years, the remainder of the loans for people who have made payments through the program will be 100% forgiven. The plan states that individuals with new and existing loans will be automatically enrolled in the program with the opportunity to opt out if they wish. Given the generosity of this proposed program compared to the current ones, we're excited for the opportunity this will bring to provide substantial financial relief to borrowers. At the same time, we wish to put forward several considerations when implementing such a plan. One, all loan types, regardless of when they were dispersed, should qualify. This would include older FFEL loans and Parent Plus loans. Two, time spent in repayment in other IDRs should count towards the 20-year repayment horizon under the new plan. Three, flexibility would be provided for borrowers with higher cost of living and expenses. Right now, only adjusted gross income and family size determine payments under IDRs. And four, borrowers that are currently in default on their student loans will be able to enroll in the new IDR without rehabilitation or consolidation. At-risk borrowers are exactly the group we should help easily get into this new option. In addition to the IDRs, this negotiated rulemaking process intends to touch on PSLF. While the statute that created PSLF is clear in some of the rigid eligibility requirements for the program, there is nothing preventing the administration from providing flexibility in the program through other legal authority. Possible reforms should include, one, allowing FFEL loans to qualify for forgiveness. In addition, months spent repaying FFEL loans should count as qualifying credits for the program. Two, provide flexibility for borrowers who would work less than 10 years in public service by prorating forgiveness amounts based on the number of years worked in public service. Three, automate the tracking and enrollment in the program using administrative data. And four, expand the definition of eligible employers, ideally to include groups like government contractors and for-profit healthcare employers that have traditionally been excluded. These are just a few ideas to consider on two of the topics that will be covered through this process. Savi looks forward to continuing to share our unique perspective in order to bring more relief to more borrowers. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Spencer. We appreciate your comments.